The topic under discussion is managing files. So here I will explain to you the concept of organizing files and folders. Knowing how to save, locate and organize computer files make you more productive when you are working with a computer. Now what does it mean? It means that when we make our document, when we write any document, we save it, right? And then we save that document in a proper file. Maybe we save it on the desktop or some USB or C drive, and then that file we store it or we save it again in the folder, right? So it says that knowing how to save, locate and organize computer files make you more productive when you are working with the computer. After you create a file, you can open it, edit its contents whenever you want. You can open it, change the contents, print the file and then save it again. A folder is a container. Then what is folder? A folder is just like a container or just like a box. In the folder you can save your files or put your files. You need to organize files and folders so that you can find them easily and work efficiently. We organize files by sorting them in folders. Then is the file cabinet. A file cabinet is a common metaphor for computer file organization. A computer is like a file cabinet that has two or more drawers. So here it says that computer is just like a file cabinet, you can say, that has two or more drawers. Each drawer is a device or disk. Each disk contains folders that holds files. To make it easy to retrieve files, you arrange them logically into folders. That is, one folder might contain financial data, another might contain your creative work, etc. So you can make different folders for different files. Then it will be very easy to find you the files, right? Suppose in one folder you are making the files related to finance. In one folder you are putting all the files related to your purchases. Similarly, in one folder you are putting all the files related to sales. Then it is very easy to find that files. Removable and hard disk. A computer can store folders and files on different type of disks, ranging from removable media such as USB drive or USB flash drive, DVD, to hard disk or fixed disk, which is permanently housed in a computer. Hard disks are the most common type of computer storage because they provide an economical way to store many gigabytes of data. A gigabyte or GB is about 1 million bytes, with each byte roughly equivalent to a character of data. To have your computer access a removable disk, you must insert the disk into the drive, which is a drive that can retrieve and sometimes record data on a disk. A computer hard disk is already contained in a drive inside the computer, so we do not need to insert it each time you use the computer. A computer distinguishes one drive from another by assigning each drive a letter. The hard disk is assigned to drive C, while other drives can have any letter, usually D, F or G. The hard disk is assigned, right, which is by default in the computer, usually is called the drive C, but the other USBs you can use, maybe they have, sometimes they call D, F, G, H, etc. Then compressed files. We compress a file or a folder of files so it occupies less space on the disk. It can be useful to compress files before transferring them from one location to another, such as from your hard disk to a removable disk or vice versa, or from one computer to another. For example, if photos file requires 8.6 megabyte, compressed file requires maybe 6.5 megabyte, almost 25% less space. Windows store the compressed files in a special type of folder called archive or a compressed folder. So this is just the basic introduction of files, folders, compressed files. If you have any question, write down in the comment section. Thank you so much.